business online is necessary for today's days. And how many of you have already created, but you're not able to leverage it? Oh, yeah, anyone? Yeah. So here I'm just to show what exactly the power of going online is and what we do, right? So the company online. So what is online? Online is a platform that helps business owners like you take an online store in just minutes without the hassle of coding, big investments, or any technical headache. So you just have to input your data and your website is ready. So the next question is why online? So here we are having a simple setup where you don't require any technical skills or technical knowledge for the setup. It is a completely DIY. So DIY means do it yourself. So here we are eradicating the technical dependency you are having, where कोई भी business नहीं चल सकता है when you are having dependency on someone. So here we are taking the full control of your own business. And then a unique feature we are having WhatsApp integration on our platform, where all the orders, whatever are placed through WhatsApp. So which becomes more accessible for people and easier for you to manage. And we are having integrated SEO, which is something what other platform gives you, and our SEO is pretty strong. So here we focus on better results and getting you advanced searches Google, and also we focus mainly on hyperlocal, which is the trend right now. So all the big players like LinkedIn, Zepto, Swiggy, they mainly work on the hyperlocal strategy. So, and another unique thing what we are giving is physical and digital marketing tips. So here not only we are providing a platform, but we are also tools to promote them. In the physical, quite many things. I'll just come into details later. So in short, we help a business grow online effortlessly. The question here is, do you want to stay ahead of curve, or you just want to wait for your competitors to just cross you ahead and move ahead? So anyone like answer the question here? It was a question, sorry I didn't put it in that way. So how many of you want to penetrate in this market? Only few hands. So already we have mentioned, see, going digital is very important nowadays. So this is the team behind online. I'm one of the co-founders and the youngest director in our company. And our team comes with an immense of experience. We have a technology team of 25 years of experience and the marketing team of 15 plus years of experience. And here I'm a newbie in this market, but here I'm to seek your guidance and mentorship to grow ahead. So I'll just show you what we exactly do when I was telling you online store and e-store. So this is one of our clients called Amari Designer Jewelry. So they are based from Hyderabad and their store is in Himatnagar. So I'll just show you how their online store looks like. So as they are a jeweler, they have kept it protected because they don't want just anyone to come on their platform. So this is what we built. So here you can see all the products are listed in this way. The company information is there. And all the key details, all the products are categorized and subcategorized, where it becomes easier for the customers who are catering to navigate through your platform. So I'll also show you how the ordering on our platform works. So this is a sample store. Let's say I want to order this product from the platform. So you can just go through the details of product, select the type of product I want to add, just add it to cart. And proceed for checkout. So this form can be customized by you on basis what information you want to collect from the customers. So once the order is placed, you directly as a vendor receive the order on WhatsApp. from the customer's number itself. So here, this is how the order is received. And you can also see in system generated order estimate is created, which is something unique where you get the customer details, vendor details, and all the product details in the estimate itself. So moving ahead. So this is the order estimate and the ordering system. So these are our clients, few of our clients from Hyderabad. So usually what everyone does in traditional business. So every business is not organized in terms of sharing their products or the services they provide. So what everyone does is they spam images on WhatsApp, share large PDFs, sharing limited product information leading to over communication, not having a proper landing page. Though you are penetrating in the Instagram, social media, and every place, you should have a proper landing page. And online here acts as a landing page to that. No updated catalogs, because see, every time you cannot update once you get a product or something. So what you can do with online? A streamlined and organized product display, a real-time updated catalog, share the whole product range with a single link, and say no to multiple PDFs. In-house ordering and management. We have many businesses who do in-house management of their business, have a proper and powerful landing page, and self-ordering platform saving commissions. Many platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or the quick commerce platforms charge a huge base of commission. So here, when we are having our own platform, we have the full control and we can save that commissions and invest somewhere else. We are reaching the same audience, but in a different way. So who all are facing this issue? Initially, when we started, we were just catering small and medium scale businesses. But when we evolved, we found it that large enterprises who are established are also facing this issue. So local businesses, they are again crushed by quick commerce. There are some facts like, see, Blinkit sold over 1 lakh Rakis per minute during Rakhi. And Zepto in the same place sold 4,000 Ganesh idols per hour during Ganesh Chaturthi. So that whole business was for the local people to encash. But here again, it's being crushed. Then women entrepreneurs who work from home, don't have a proper registered business, we also help them go online. Non-tech savvy individuals who don't have any technical knowledge, we also help them. And entrepreneurs, here all of us are entrepreneurs who want to grow our business and take it ahead. So this is the quick commerce. It has many effects on our economy also, where it's growing in one way but also crushing local businesses. So वो दिखता है becomes outdated now. So now it is जो दिखेगा वो ही बिकेगा. So we have to become जो दिखाना है start करना है. So I'll just close it up. So I have a special offer for you for today's event. So there's an envelope on your table. Everyone can open it. So we have given a special offer for all the members attending here exclusively. For today's event, we are offering our premium package of 30,000, which is for 1,000 products, at just 25,000 plus 18% GST. So you don't have to pay the whole amount right now. You can just pay a booking amount. You have a small scanner on the pamphlet and you can just pay. So this offer is only valid till tonight. So thank you again. And sorry if I missed out some presentation. So looking forward to connect with everyone over here. Thank you.